Hi, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Experts. I want to talk to you about grubs and the problems they can cause in your lawn. Now, if you're someone that's ever had a problem with grubs, you know what I'm talking about. They're Japanese beetles that can get inside your lawn, and your lawn can look really nice, and all of a sudden you can literally grab the turf and lift it up, and it's almost like a toupee, and so that you're taking off somebody's head. So it's important that you treat it. You've got a couple of options. There are organic products like this Milky Spores right here, and then there's the Grubs, which is a Scott's product. Both are very effective. They both work differently. The organic products, if you're someone that's into organic gardening, will be effective. You have to apply them more often, and so you have to really stay in tune with the regiment of when you put it on. This you're going to probably apply 3 different times a year, and they even offer a warranty if you do that consecutively for a couple of years. But what I found with these products like the Grubs, when you put that down, you're going to get really good coverage and protection to keep those bugs and grubs from your lawn. So what's important is you want to get your lawn cut. You want to make sure it's in pretty good shape, and you want to do this early on. It depends on where you live, but early June is typically the time when you put down a grub product, especially an all-season product. Now, there's other manufacturers that have a 24-hour product that kill them on contact. I have found that the earlier application products like this one here are much more effective. So you're going to apply the Grubs, and then within 24 hours you want to make sure that you water it thoroughly so that it gets absorbed into the soil and then treats that area to keep those grubs at bay. And then with your normal fertilizing and watering of the lawn, you should be able to keep your lawn grub free, because the damage that they can do is not only of tearing up your lawn, they basically eat the roots at the bottom of the grass, but then rodents come in to try and eat the bugs. And so you can have a problem with voles and moles and even gophers, depending on where you live, who are coming into your lawn thinking that it's a old country buffet because they have all those bugs to eat. So can't stress enough the importance of grub control. Follow the instructions on the backs of the bags and go to your local Ace for more information.